Next question. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. Students, now look here. This is the table and this is the frequency. But the mean is given to you already. It is 18. Mean of this is 18. Now what is your question? You have to find missing frequency. So here we are using assumed mean method. Okay. This is the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Now let's see. Here I told you in assumed mean method you have two sets of calculations. First step is class mark. How will you calculate class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 13 plus 11, 24. 24 by 2, 12. 15 plus 13, 28. 28 divided by 2, 14. Similarly, you can calculate class marks. In assumed method, you are assuming one class mark as mean. As in your question, the mean is given as 18, we'll take that itself as assumed mean. This is for EC calculation, nothing else. Okay, this is only for EC calculation. Now, the next step is to find DI, deviation, DI. How will you find? Xi minus A, Xi minus assumed mean. So, 12 minus 18, 12 minus 18, negative 6. Don't write positive 6, it is negative 6. 14 minus 8, minus 4. 16 minus 8, minus 2. 18 minus 8, 0. 20 minus 8, 2. 22 minus 18, 4. 24 minus 18, 6. So you got D. Now what is your step? Fi into Di. Fi into Di, multiplication. 7 into minus 6, minus 42. 6 into minus 4, minus 24. Okay. Now Fi Di. Now how will you calculate the mean? Mean is A plus summation Fi Di by summation Fi. Is that clear to you, children? Now what is your problem? Here you have an F, isn't it? You have a F here. So when you add all the frequencies, you will get 44 plus F. That is 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4 is 44 and F. Okay. Here also you will get 2F. Why 2F? 2 into F, 2F. So here the summation is 2F minus 40. But I will substitute the same thing in the equation. Mean is equal to A plus summation Fi Di by summation Fi. What is the mean given to you in the question? It is 18. What was the assumed mean that we have taken? That is also 18. Plus summation Fi Di is 2F minus 40 that I have written here. Summation Fi. What is summation Fi? 44 plus F. So 44 plus F. Students, when I took A as 18, I told you it is for EC calculation. Here I'll show you why EC calculation. Here 18 and 18 get cancelled. So I'll get 0 here. 0 is equal to 2F minus 40 by 44 plus F. When you cross multiply, this also will go, isn't it? 44 plus F into 0 is 0. So that is why we use the assumed mean as 18 here for EC calculation. So here we can equate 2F minus 40 equal to 0. 2F is equal to 40 and F is equal to 40 divided by 2, that is 20. Okay children, so if the frequency is missing in your table, please use assumed mean method to find the missing frequency. Okay, so by this 3 questions we have gone through direct mean method, step deviation method in the second question and assumed mean method in the third question. We'll discuss 2 more questions in this class. Let's move on to the fourth question. Women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method. Students, here you can see it is a 1-digit number. So you can use direct method because not much calculation is there. Students, statistic is the easiest chapter which you can score marks, but a slight carelessness will lose all the marks that which you have scored. Okay children, statistics is all about calculation. Your speed and the concentration in calculation scores the marks. Okay, so as here the frequency is of a single digit, we will go for direct method. Direct method is easy. Class marks 68 plus 65, 133. 133 divided by 2, 66.5. Similarly, you will find all the class marks. Multiply class mark and frequency. 2 into 66.5 is 133. Now, add all this Fi, Xi, you will get 2277. Add all the frequencies, you will get 30. Mean of the data is equal to Fi, Xi by Fi is equal to 75.9. 75.9. Okay children, next question. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Students, you can see the frequency is of 2 and 3 digit numbers. So you will go for step deviation method. Let's see. Here, number of mangoes, class mark. Number of boxes. So class mark, how will you get? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. 52 plus 50, 102. 102 divided by 2 is 51. 55 plus 53, 108. 108 divided by 2, 54. So what is the first step in step deviation method? From the class marks, you will choose a assumed mean. You will choose an assumed mean. Here, we'll take the middle term. 2 marks up and 2 marks down. So the middle term we will choose as assumed mean. Students, usually we do the same thing in every assumed mean or step deviation method. The middle term you will choose as assumed mean. Now, the second step is to find the DI. How will you find DI? In assumed mean, we saw. How did you find? 51 minus 57 minus 6. 54 minus 57 minus 3. 60 minus 57 positive 3. 63 minus 57 positive 6. Isn't it? Now, how will you calculate UI? UI is DI by H. What is H? It's the interval. It is the interval 52 and 50. Students, listen here. In the previous question, I'll show you, you have another problem here. 65, 68. And the other next class interval starts with 68 itself. Isn't it? See, 65, 68, 68, 71, 71, 74, 74, 77, etc. So you choose the class interval as how much? 3. 65, 68 minus 65, 3. Here what happened? Here 50, 52, 53, 55, 56, 58. So how will you choose the class height? Class height is upper limit of the previous and lower limit of this. Here 55 minus 52 or 53 minus 50. 55 minus 52 or 53 minus 50. Upper limit of the second class minus upper limit of the first class. 55 minus 52 or 53 minus 50. When you do this also, 58 minus 55, 3. 56 minus 53, 3. So the class height is 3. Okay. Now let's do the problem. You just understand the difference between the class intervals of these problems. So here the class height is 3. Class height is 3. Now di by 3. Here you got 6 minus 6 by 3 minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 minus 1. 0 by 3, 0. Here 60 minus 57 was 3. 3 by 3, 1. 63 by minus 57. 63 minus 57 was 6. 6 by 3, 2. Now how will you calculate? Multiply ui and fi. Minus 2 into 15 minus 30. Minus 1 into 110 minus 110. Similarly, calculate all the fi ui. Then add it. Students, I told you before also, you should be aware of the symbols in this. Here 30 and 110 is having minus sign. Then add all the frequencies. Add all the frequencies, you will get 400. So you will get 25 by 400 into h. H is class height. That is 3. 25 by 400 into 3 plus a. What is a? A is the assumed mean. So 57 plus 25 by 400 into 3. At last you will get 57.19 as the mean. So students, today we have discussed about mean of grouped data. You have gone through direct mean method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. All the three methods can be used to find the mean of grouped data. Students, please do it yourself. Don't use the calculator while doing it because you are not allowed to use the calculator in the exam halls. If you want to have increased speed and concentration, practice at home without the calculator. Thank you. Have a nice day.